ZZ and Kulani show. Kulani's not here today, so it's just me. Stop. Today we're going to talk about birds and men, or boys. Have you ever gone outside and seen the humans walking around, especially the men? Oh my God, you think that they would dress better than the way they dress. T-shirt, jeans, baggies, crack showing. Crack. What's a crack? Anyway, let's get on to the subject here. You guys need to take a good look at the birds out there. I'm telling you what, those creatures, they know what they're doing. Yep. Think about it. Sit down there and look at the birds. Can you tell the difference between the males and the females? Oh yeah, you can. A bell came on. A light in your head. You guys need to dress like birds. Okay. Take for instance the peacock. The peacock. The peacock has all these colors. When he wants to attract a female, oh my goodness, he comes out and just flutters himself all the way around, and it's like, oh, it's a little much. But I think if you guys take a look at the birds, you would attract more of those females. And to smell good, for crying out loud. Clean under those arms. Yeah. Comfortable clothes, but nice, you guys. Maybe a little color once in a while like me. See, check it out. My red, white, and blue. Yes. I'm a country boy. What is that? What is that clanking out there? Okay, I'm gonna play you a song right now, and you're probably not gonna like it anyway, but it's my male coming out, so we're gonna try to attract the females here with a little bit of nice clanking music. Okay, here we go. Oh, gee, that's horrible. I think we need to try something else. Some other time, folks. Anyway, you guys dress nice. Put some nice clothes on today. Attract those females. Or they're never gonna come around, okay? Till we meet again.